guys, I'm sorry. I know it's been a while since I posted like an actual riding video or just the kind of stuff that I would normally do. But that's because I've just kind of been using these like pump track videos and stuff as like filler videos throughout like this past week, so that I can have more time to think and work on this, what I think will be the next big step for this YouTube channel. So basically, what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to do a daily vlog for the next 60 days. Like, I have to make a vlog every day no matter what, unless I'm like really sick or the weather's terrible and I can't do anything and it'll just be like a terrible video. So these vlogs will be a little bit different than like my normal posts. It'll be like more of an actual daily vlog. Like, because right now I've just been like, if I'm gonna go riding or something like that, I'll go out, I'll make an intro, do all the riding and stuff, go back, make an outro, maybe put some like extra clips in there or something like that. But these have to be like me videoing throughout my whole entire day. I'll have to be doing like interesting stuff so the video doesn't get boring. But so today will be like the first actual daily vlog, and it's like extremely windy out today. So basically the two main things I'm going to be doing in today's video is, one, cleaning up the shed a little bit, and then two, I got a bunch of bike maintenance to do. I got to work on my bike, clean my bike, work on Bryson's bike. He's already got his cleaned. It looks way better than mine right now. But before I can get started on any of that, I got to go to work first. One of the challenges with this daily vlog is I kind of have to do it like around school and work. I am homeschooled, so that helps a lot, but I also have to work, so I kind of have to like find time to make this vlog throughout the whole day. But anyways, I gotta go to work right now, and as soon as I get back, we'll get started on probably cleaning the bikes, cleaning the shop, and working on the bikes and stuff like that. Okay, back from work now. The wind is still blowing like crazy, and I'm gonna take everything out of the shop, like all the bikes and stuff, and then I'm gonna sweep and stuff like that. Okay, now that I got the shed cleaned out a little bit, I'm gonna spray off my bike. Okay, so got the bike washed off. It's in the shed now, cooling down because I just warmed it up. And the reason I have it in the shed with the door closed is because the wind is blowing so hard outside, and I'm going to be cleaning like air filters and oil and stuff like that. So I have all those like open parts to the engine, and that wouldn't be good with all the dust flying around. So that's why it's in the shed. So sorry it's kind of dark in here, and let's get started on maintaining it. Here's all the things we're going to need. This, and this. You know, that stuff, that, this, that, possibly this, some of this, yeah, that, you know, that, yeah, and then this, it's this, you know. By the way, most of the stuff is for Bryson bikes too, so that's why it's like all, yeah. But I got a new air filter. It's pre-oiled. I got a new one because my other one was starting to get a slight tear in it, and around here in the desert where it's so dusty and dry, you definitely don't want to have a torn air filter. But anyways, let's get this bike all maintenance and yeah, I don't know what you'd call it. Alright, so we're almost done working on the bikes, and I just had to take a quick break to show you guys this awesome sunset. Like all the way across. Alright, well, got the bikes put away. I don't know why I put them away like that, but we got most of the maintenance done. I'll have to do a little bit more tomorrow, and hopefully we can go ride tomorrow. I think it'll probably still be windy tomorrow. Hopefully not, but I mean, it probably will. I'm redoing that. But anyways, that's great for this video, so thanks for watching.